no say I pack their God. Hey, I came back with a souvenir. Make I Untying. Now, I'm making this video. We have been looking for him for days. Which your brother did I post? You have been looking for days. Which your brother have you been looking for days? Which one is that? My people, please allow me to untie this thing. You see, why I want to do this is, for long I've been telling you people about these fake traditionalists, all the nonsense they are doing, and tell you they are traditionalists. Please, all this nonsense these people are tying has nothing to do with a tradition. In fact, this one, I don't know whether now Christian juju be this one. This thing, not be this thing, whether they do chaplets. Now they go type. They come, make I untie everything. I want you to show this video to all your young brothers, sisters, cousins, and nephews that are inside the bush. All these people that they are giving fake oath. Okay, if I am going to your place and taking your God, what does that tell you about the nonsense oath you people are taking? What does that say about the ineffective Quaker oath you people are taking? Just because they will buy somebody, pour the blood on it, you will now think it's real. You know my stance on Christianity, but I'd rather you give your life to Christ than following all these people that tie all this rubbish for you people. I'd rather you give your life to Christ. At least waiting I go me and you go to drag. Now fake miracle. Fake miracle. Nobody go to buy anybody because of one juju. How many they don't cut all in the name of juju? Yet on I go to run. How many I don't cut, just to prepare charms that don't work? How many? This person that is saying you are looking for your brothers for days, if he's that one that they posted as arrested in the ESN camp, forget him, he's gone. Okay? I'm telling you, he's gone. Now then they set up all these IEDs where they buy village women where no one made them enter their farm. Law enforcement will come to bring peace. Then go they target their vehicles. Sometimes some of them go mistakenly match the wire. The thing go blow. So if now one of those people they talk, maybe now brain Jotter cousin or the other one, they don't die. They don't die. We are not in the business of arresting and keeping anybody alive. You they hear me? Every single person. So any of your relatives you love, start telling them now to disappear from that bush. Disappear from that bush. If they are still thinking, oh, government, because this thing they are doing Italian Onyama, amnesty, then go build out for them. Don't worry, na 6 feet. Be the house they go be for them. If now any of your relatives be that thing I post, forget him. Forget him. Okay? Now back to the people. You see, the dead ones are gone. There is nothing you can do for them to help them. The ones that are still living, in fact, there is no ESN member that is living. You don't pay advance payment for your buying. Okay? You don't pay advance payment. Unless you run away from there. Unless you disappear. Like I said, I'd rather you give your life to Christ. Okay? I'd rather you give your life to Christ than this nonsense. Once again, it go good make me and you the debate whether miracle they exist or not, which it doesn't. No, none of your pastors they do miracle. When I know say 8th of this month, my trial with one evangelist they start ahead. Me, I will do everything to make it possible that all of you watch the trial on video, because it wouldn't be nice. This one go talk, the other one go talk. It's a lie. I'd rather all of you watch it and see for yourselves. Let's settle this matter once and for all, so we can completely establish the fact that none of them has any power. Your feelings doesn't count. It's either they come and do that miracle in the court, or you realize fully that there is no power anywhere, just like this nonsense. This their nonsense juju. This is not our tradition. Okay? This is not our tradition. Are you understanding me? This is not our tradition. Never. This is fake. Everything they are doing with it is fake. There is no power in any juju. Me, I don't need to come and use Bible, pour holy water, tell you, say, oh, remove them. No. Now me use my hand, carry them like this, put them for back. I don't carry their God. See their God here. Now, let's unravel it. In fact, I even tie on a God wire. So see how I tie on a God. See how I tie on a God. You see wire where I take tie on a God for days. You know, open this bag. See, I am saying, I am showing you these things live for you to know that actually there is no power in this their nonsense juju. Absolutely no power. Guys, see the like button and share the video, please. Like and share the video. There is no power in this nonsense. You mean I use wire tie on a God for how many days? You know, open and I use my hand open. What does that tell you about this your God? A fish you can't wait kill yourself. See the plastic bag where I take tie on a God. God, where then they tie with plastic bag and wire. Now on a God. I ask you again. God, where then they use plastic bag and wire they tie. Now God. Somebody say no use that hand eat this night. In fact, I wish I have okay, see crackers. Make I chop crackers for your front. Make I chop crackers for your front now. Let me be blocking Umuozu. Please, if I meet any bingo, give me the bingo alert. Yes, so Temu God. Prince Will, that is that time like Sokoto Goat. Sokoto Goat, except they read the time like this, you go not die before you reach church. See you on a God. See on a God. You dey see on a God. Plastic bag and wire. Now they use tie God. Where when I say get power. Where when they go take oath in front of. Where when they buy people, they spill their blood on. On a know they notice and so no get sense. On a native doctor where they inside the valley. You see the guy with the way he collects. Boys clear magazine for him body. Boys clear magazine for him body. And I love it. Okay? I love it. At least make it show those boys where una carry put for inside bush. Where una put for inside bush, they deceive. They give them human being to chop. Now, what is the essence of all those people where una cannibalize? Where na me carry on a God? Let me unwrap it. Hit your one God. So he don't sweat, tire. I even tie and put her inside bag. See ya. Arab God who go back. This one the double magazine, you know your walking stick now. Yes, I break and make it day easy for me. So I hold the head. Double magazine, see your walking stick. You dey see am? Double magazine, now you get this walking stick. I no be you. What does that tell you people? Them run, leave their walking stick. Of course, you saw the other walking stick in front of St. Mary's and their cap. And their cap. You know when it be like all those skits where you go see person where they claim say you know they walk well. You know go the waka well, you go the waka like this, you go hold walking stick. When you have gas like this, you go see I go leave your walking stick run. Now so they leave this one run. Double magazine, you answer double magazine finish. We come your side. Watch. Your walking stick, you leave them wrong. Like it was so bad that you left your walking stick and decided to take off. You take off. May they no catch you. And on a go day social media, they make noise. On a go day social media, they make noise. Anybody where we see, we gotta do this. Come fight with men now. Come fight with men. They will never stand because they know say that dead body they go carry. Now that dead body, their people go see carry. That is if they are lucky enough to see it. If they are lucky. Eastern Sprinters Network, Loretta Maxwell. In fact, I'm just wondering whether are we supposed to be chasing these people around with the military and tiger base, or should we just call the Athletics Federation of Nigeria to give us people? I think we are fighting the wrong battle. We are fighting with the wrong soldiers. Since now run under the run, I think the Athletics Federation of Nigeria should be the ones leading this operation. Can't go back to the if we are bad like this, now wrong. Anaba. The Nigerian Olympic Committee must come into this case. Okay? The Nigerian Olympic Committee must come into this matter. Make we know they waste our time. They carry weapons. Oh, we have this one. Where you name Butuzo, carpenter, failed carpenter. I want to know the carpenter can I on each other. Failed carpenter Butuzo. Of course, they are gonna use boat. Them now the junior use boat. Not the also go on that way with day. Like master, like servants. What happen, Bono? Like they are running that they forgot their walking sticks. I forgot the other walking stick, but that one too long for me. Somebody said, no, I said he has forgiven you because someone. Oh, the person will do you something, no, ask for apology. That's so is a criminal. He's a liar. Oh, now person go come to beg on my behalf now. Now no get sense if you believe that it. Anybody will believe that nonsense. You know get sense. Brain no there. So you know not say you just call somebody, say make him call you, talk something like this. You find excuse to escape. It's a lie. He's a criminal. He wants to stop the saga. It's a lie. He go still come court, come explain where he was an IPOb member. I go leave that matter. It's a lie. He must come to the court and explain how I'm an IPOb member. Are you understanding me now? He will explain how I'm an IPOb member and the IPOb money he said I embezzled. He will come and explain it. Yes, my account is Ijele speaks on TikTok. Saying they for so yourself, you know not saying around in the run. Ndoshi. Person where do you something they there, still they insult your mama, they insult your less family. Reaching out, you say somebody call you. I've been anywhere where you hear any talk, you just carry them, they go. This one say we will not see you apprehend any of them. Go inside that bush and stay with them. If you are sure of this nonsense you are talking about. Go inside that bush, stay there and see how we are doing. Like I said, the operation has no arrest policy. Zero arrest. Any single person caught must be recycled. You come say you want to ask for person where they don't recycle, we go recycle you join. Are you hearing me now? We are not in the business of doing any mess with anybody. Carry you go police, do what? Put you for prison. You go to chop federal government money. Critics news, I see you, my brother. It's a lie. We go buy you. We go buy you, and this are not the police. So we go buy person they show. It's a lie. Use this girl now where been they comment. I don't know whether a man will use girl fake account. Ask them that their family member where they see the photo, whether they don't hear from him again, maybe they don't see him, you go die. You go die. We not come here to the price go to one panther with anybody. You go back. Of course, Odogwata, now bushmeat. They tell you say they not know why they sprint. So this one now, I'm gonna use this one, they knock them for head. You understand? So this one go. Oh yeah, see their God. Now soldier go strip all these ones. And now ask yourself, what in this thing one do for person? Nka ye jarota plate. I'm not it can never be good. If not good now, she better go just sell it. It can be good. Ndoshi, no more go. If not go, they for don't matter time, go use and do I make I go test them. Now from the shrine be this. Now one of the alpha. Now one of the alpha be this. See the alpha. Neziano no afu no teje egwu. See your alpha. No afu no. This if you see the kind cloth where the entire this thing, we have to strip it down to this. Chune enweghị ike. Ọ dịghị ike. Ọgwa gwọrọ agwa adịghị ike. Onye gwọrọ ya adịghị ike. Ọgwa gwọrọ agwa adịghị ike. Ọ dịghị ike. Ọgwa gwọrọ agwa adịghị ike. Onye gwọrọ ya adịghị ike. Ọgwa gwọrọ agwa adịghị ike. N'enu n'ọfụ ka eji egwu egwu. N'enu n'ọfụ ihe ọfọrọ. See n'ọfọ. Well, now they use the white people, they waste their blood. Ọkwa ọfụ ka nje egwu egwu here. Ọkwa nonsense of unu dị ya ụmụ egwu ụmụ tobo na ihe eji confuse unu you know. I said, Ijele, what about Igwe ndị Asia and his petition? Nah, we're gonna let it go. Although somebody called me and I did some investigation, found out that even the Igwe self, the dodgy head, is not even in Nigeria. You understand? The Igwe is not. I owe him a video anyway. I will owe him a video because we are not here to antagonize anybody. Any information we give is genuine. And if anything changes along the way, it's up to us to come out and give you the information too. All right? So, the Igwe, you know, they like that, okay? You know, now run himself, they run. He don't leave the place for them. It don't leave the place for them. And you don't see all these politicians where they do this thing. Many of them get power past the egos of all those communities. If you check the communities where they know they threaten the Igwe, Obi of Onitsha, Amuo Government, and they threaten Obi of Onitsha. You go just go now, go they threaten Obi of Onitsha, they burn you Abogidi. People like Abogidi, you know, say that one, their domain, nobody they near there. But all these Igwe autonomous, governor giving chief of staff of office, you know, so many of them, and some of them know they rugged. Even if them rugged, they no go one made in the attack their communities like this, so they go just shut up and play along. So the Igwe, all the things they said is not entirely true. But the truth is, Asia is a hub for these people. Okay? Asia is a hub, is their Onitsha main market. One within the IPOb in Asia. Okay? Somebody say Igwe in the Gucci can say Igwe in the diaspora. Yes, so. Yes, so. You say, Baba, please pin your account number. Somebody I beg, pin that my UBA account number. Somebody help me pin that UBA account number there. Make I collect my offering. Or the parties say, Jesus, Jesus, one the mock you go to Zonatizazia. Even if now you be Igwe, you know, see beautiful wife. You don't go possible that just leave the place for them. Okay? I have videos of them. Videos of who? Okay, in Asia. Inbox me now. Inbox me the video. Write me a message on the box. I will respond to you. What updates? You're always there with updates on the account number. Pin these comments. I don't pin them. See the account there. 2210447563. UBA. You will see my name there. You see I'm no chunu. No chunu. See the highest God here, Nezenia. Never see him. Umutobo. The third one here. See him here. I think we will build a museum of all their gods we will carry. They say cause permanent. Where did they tie this thing for now? Wait, like EAG, Megan. 21st century. When people are advancing technologically, 21st century. No, we not go auction and we go keep them there. At least our children go there, they look and don't say this thing are rubbish. If our parents had done this, built a museum for all these criminal gods. If to say they build this museum for all these criminal gods, many of our people no go they fall victim to all these nonsense. Still not for now. This one in front of Odumeje house. Nechunu. I should sell it on auction. Mba. Zero power. Zero power. Nechiha kodi. Zero power. This cowries, if not good one, now at least I go use them do necklace. They wear them. Because I love wearing cowries. It's not because there is any power in it. Me, I love wearing cowries. And some of una see person wey wear cowries now. Oh, na juju. Una go dey panic. Una don't know how many fine girls why I lose because of cowries. Why wear? Nature ni yejieme. Onwe do this thing ga baram. Onwe do ya baram. Even their God that both are not. Na not see not. Not taranchara. Not taranchara ne not heba. They not, both are not. Both are not. Something we no fit produce. So now Japanese people, they build on a god for na. Amahomu nko kabuka traditional offer, ne both ne not. Now the same offer one. Offer the Jewish system, even Igwe Jemo for Igwe. Amine na buy, manufacture na buy. This one na technological offer. They not. Hi, Yereme. Very shameless set of people. Very shameless set of people. Ndị bu acharishi. Umu ozu. Umu eberima. Nenu not. I am the Daboski. I am the Bahosi. There. Me, I no go sell them for where. You don't go out say na modern offer. Technological offer. Nezenu both are not. onye mana moto esi tọpụta nke a ka generator iron generator ka ejizi eme god techa ya ihe ọkwa ọbara dịcha ihe dị si for the body then like ka ihe mmadụ na-ama mfụrụ ụmụ utobe a n'aka chike na-adịghị temu ọfọ like I said, I'd rather you give your life to Christ than this nonsense. I pray for Christ. Fewere m Christ come and fewere m Christ come and ka obere no this thing. Ka obere no na ke ya na fake miracle. Ka obere no na fake miracle. You just no reach your life, I beg go. You have come on reach life because of this nonsense. Waiting be this. Yes, so it could be from the MTN mast. They see, not only MTN, Airtel, Glow. These people thief more than 10 masts between also LGA in Imo State and here LGA in Anambra. Mast where they thief past 10. Okay. Of course, I will wash my hand because of all this blood. All this thing where that like blood now. All the blood where they pour there. I go use disinfectant. I know they drink alcohol again now. For just use alcohol, wash my hand. I go use soap. This is not jams. No jams more than a GI. Jams. If this thing mistakenly touch my mouth, then anytime they go say na they are for. Ndoshi. Umwebirima. They go say na they are for who their father. Oga, madam, give your life to Christ instead of this nonsense. Okay? Give your life to Christ. Now my spirit they talk. You know, like, how are you? Why don't you know this Umuoshi? They can't do anything. Nothing they say is true. Everything audio. They will be watching the of course now. Of course. Umutobo. Eh? What is this thing doing for you? This thing now? You gave it the right name. I don't condemn gods. Iron condemn gods. Somebody, the king of the game, I hear say them don't capture or Orsu Imo. When? Hold on, no. Paul Ikechukwu, please, I'm begging you, inbox me now. After the video, I will text you. I beg. I will text you after the video because there is something I really want to find out from that Callistus about that Callistus Ochiaya. If they arrested him, please, they should not hand him over to Anambra people. Anambra people should not handle that case. Send him to Abuja or take him to Imo State. Okay? Are you understanding me now? Please, inbox me. Here. Here. Look at the achi. Umutobu. You say, but you are not going to church. Did you hear me? Me, my court case with about fake miracle is coming up on March 8th. March 8th. But I will still tell you, I'd rather you give your life to Christ than this nonsense. At least those that give their life to Christ, only their money they lose. But this one now, they go tell you, make you buy your relative, buy your friend. And why then they do that thing? They say, if you buy your relative, now them send you, now they don't say, nah, you do it. And evidence go there. So tomorrow, even if you find out, say, then they do rubbish, say, nah, powerless something they do, fear no go let you go expose them. Because if you expose them, they go expose you as the person who either your wife, your girlfriend, or your relative. Una they understand the trick. Una they understand the trick now. So, my people, there is no power here. Full power here. Many of them, they talk, say they be traditionalists just to see reason to they drink kai every morning. Okay? Are you understanding me now? All can have reason kai na kohedi. This also kai this God. Let the thing go wound me. Eh? Chinda na this also kai o nwere ihe ọ ga-arụ na ihe chi ya na ejichu na egwu Chineke dị kai Chidi kai Chindiahu nefe chindiahu, ora kamadu kahabu, chindiahu nefe chindiahu, ora kamadu kahabu, chindiahu nefe chindiahu, oro mechanic kahabu, oh mechanic. Now who know the mechanic workshop where they go carry this nonsense from? Eh? Ne yon aton. Umuewu, ne denu chiha. Si chiha. Ne nu han. Sia, nature, iron condemn God. Umutobu. Umuflave. Ne you no porochi. Or about the spirit of Biafra. Eh? Is this the spirit of Biafra you are talking about? Umumpama. Eh? Tell me. Umokoko. Nature. Let me see if Mark E. I don't know who that person is. Video of the captured boys. Which captured boys? This is the video of the captured. I don't know the captured boys you are talking about. I don't know the capture. When did they capture them? Please, I really don't. Wait, is it a part of the or capture or what? Or just I didn't get it. Some of these things you are sending here, send it via inbox. Okay? Bashir Abdullah Muhammad said they should worship Ijele since he has their God. Yeah, so since I don't capture their God now. Where to capture your God is supposed to be your new God now. You don't know? Yeah? I asked one of them if freedom is possible, will Senator Hope Uzodinma leave it for you to hope God or hope. Yeah, hope get to Kadota Ketchway. Yeah, Galadima Dika hope Gan or an Achia. And a call for Hanorocha. Ubio furniture. I have Rugia. Yeah? Ubio furniture. I have Rugia. Is that what you mean? Yeah, Umutobo. Or they get knock in Naya Balibe. We'll leave it for you. Tell me. They will not leave the Biafra for you. So you come and be ruling them or what? That your Biafra is as real as your Biafra currency. Fake. About then I see you. In fact, I go say this thing. I bet when you're on more price. When you know how much? When you know for somebody price and a bazaar sales with day now anime raise your offer or for sale. God for sale. I the rich on lecture ya when you know come on when you know ha. Oh, Emmanuel, God bless my elder for there. God bless my elder there. 1K going. 1K. Do I have a better deal? 1K. Do I have a better deal? When you know buy bazaar kaino zina. Bazaar this Elwanga kaino zina. When you know 10,000 Biafra de Jema. Okay. 10,000 Biafra de Jema going. 10,000 Biafra de Jema going one. 10,000 Biafra de Jema. 200,000. We have 200,000 over there. Ngozi Ajay, 200,000. 200,000. 200,000. 200,000. 200,000. 200,000. This one say 2K. No, you are pricing below. We have 200,000. Please, the 200,000 is it a Jema? Okay. Oh, 10 Biafra pounds. No, it's not be 10,000 Biafra de Jema. No. The best somebody no. No, Kobo no. We are on 200,000. Please, the person that priced 200,000, is it a Jema or Naira? Please specify your currency. 150,000. No, somebody priced 200 already. 5K. No. This was say 20 Naira. No. Somebody say 20 cowrie. 20 million going. 20 million going one. Do we have a better deal? Do you have a better 1 penny Biafra de Jema? No, nah, it can be 500,000. No, 20. We have 20 million already now. 250 ejema. No, it can't be. 20 million. 20 million. 20 million. 20 million. 20 million. 20 million. 2,000 shares. No, 20 million. We already have 20 million ejema. 30 million ejema. Credo Mary, my commander. 30 million ejema from my commander. 30 million ejema. 30 million going one, going two. Oh yeah, bell, sound. Give it to Commander Credo. 30 million. This one. This one you can use it to do your magic. Abracadabra. Kwezenu nkono. Kwenu nkono. Eremiere. I beg where the nylon. Make I tie their God back. Or I will hear one from no, we Igbo people now want disgrace for this Nigeria. We go disgrace on. We go back on with disgrace. We go use disgrace back all of on. Make I tie them back. No go be there. You never be that person. Man never begin cry. No what the day why we go carry eye pencil on. I go still sell them like this. Umutobo, my I use wire. Check and K. Nkechia. Want to make a poro. I can make a poro. I can make a poro. Umutobo. Chinemuhish. So by people say the thing is there is no power in this your people, you people's nonsense. Okay? Nenu chunu, mofunu, mamparunu hapuru boso. Neno tekere here are the moon. Like I said, I'd rather you people give your life to Christ than this nonsense. Makemo pike din here. Fewele mu Christ biko. Gowara me ekpere na abo, gowara Bible, kama nonsense. Gowara me ekpere na abo, gowara mu Bible, kama this rubbish. Okay? Kama nonsense. Jewere mu catechism. Jewe ekpere Wednesday. Akwenu yeneku. You cannot replace what you think is bad with a worse ideology. Okay? Let your God work. Yeah, like if this your God can untie himself from this plastic bag, I will start worshiping it. Tuna. Up from my back, I will start worshiping it. I get me chachu ni you see this disgrace when I want to give you people for this Nigeria. Like we go disgrace on our full family, we go disgrace on our one generation. Like by the time we are done with you people, shame no go let anybody mention beer fraud again. Shame no go let on an open mouth again. Doshi. Thank you so much, my people. Enjoy yourselves and have a. I go wash my hand, Dada. I go wash my hand. Jams or barande mother have a nonsense with 18 on na hate you. My people, thank you so much and have a wonderful night rest.